There is just one exam that I need to clear before I become a doctor. Speaking of that, there are 4 important exams that everyone clears before they become a doctor. And out of these, the first one is the first maths exam that you give. Because maths is one of the most controversial subjects when we are in school, and whoever is good at maths is considered to be good at everything else. And that is where your identity actually shapes and builds the foundation for your future exams and gives you confidence. The next important exam is the 10th standard board exam, because that is the exam that is given by everyone in the country, and even though it is not an important exam in the grand scheme of life, and since it's the last exam of your school, and somehow majority of the people who do well end up with taking science. So after taking science, after slogging through 11th and 12th, so then comes the NEET exam, which is probably one of the most toughest and challenging exams of everyone's life. It tests characters, it tests patience, it tests your ability to tackle failure, it tests everything, and you get to know and learn so much about you and yourself in these 2 years. So after clearing this exam, finally you get a pass and you get into MBBS, and MBBS में सारे exams are pass or fail, nothing is on the line. So anyone who passes first year, second year and third year moves on to the next grade. There is not much competition किसको कितना मिला, and it does not really matter. But final year is different. There is a lot of things at stake, because how you perform in final year is also going to act as proof, and it is also going to lay the foundation for you to build up confidence in internship and to crack the most important exam again, which is NEET PG. But other than that, it is also going to make you a doctor. And just speaking about becoming a doctor just makes me really emotional. I am almost a doctor now. As you've seen from my title, there's just one exam separating me from being a doctor, and sometimes I just get really emotional thinking about it and how far I've come. And this is peak time. There is so much to study, there is so much to do, there's so much to learn. Plus it is the game of mental patience and mental resilience. Whatever you've been doing till now, you have to do it again. You have to be better. You have to recognize where you're going wrong. You have to stop those behaviors and recognize your strengths and weaknesses and play according to that. And you have to be so careful along the way. But one small mistake in the grand scheme of things is just 6 months, but it can completely shatter your self-confidence. Anyway, I am Tanmay Bhandari and I'm a final year MBBS student at BJMC Pune. And this is the second episode of the series called The Grind. And this series is just about a normal guy who is about to give one of the most important exams of his life, and who just also happens to be documenting this entire journey. I'm starting this vlog a little later than usual. It is 4 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna get a nice 2-hour workout because it is a Saturday. And Saturdays को मैं मन भर के workout करता हूँ. जो भी exercises मेरे पूरे week में miss हो जाते हैं, I keep them on Saturday. And again, there is no one to film me today, so instead of any montage, I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna film myself today. So let's go and let's.
Yeah, thinking that it happened overnight, it didn't. In it for the long haul flight, committed. Wanted me to fail out of spite, I didn't. All bark but they don't bite, they timid. Thinking that it happened overnight, but it didn't. In it for the long haul flight, I'm committed. Wanted me to fail out of spite, but I didn't. All bark but they don't bite, cause they timid. Look, wait, I got people trying to wish and pray that I'ma fall about it. All about it till we spoke in person, don't wanna talk about it now, huh? Oh, you sound tough, toying with them, don't get wound up. How you wound up, another number in the round up. Put the town up, I built this thing up from the ground up. And if I bounce up, I get my crown stuck. Green light go, got the east side flow. I'm a giant in the space like FIFA4.
मैं जस्ट जिम से घर आ रहा था और मेरे हाथ पे इधर कबूतर ने पूरा गंदा कर दिया. तो अभी वॉचमैन भैया बोल रहे थे कि दिस इज़ गुड लक, एंड मैं यूजुअली ऐसे चीज़ों में नहीं मानता, बट एग्ज़ाम सीजन है भाई, जो भी गुड लक मिले मैं तो ले लूँगा भाई. Our pre-workout meal is ready. Classic Indian dal rice. Taste test. So I'm done with my meal now and I'm gonna go to a office near my house to study, ताकि मैं फोकस से काफ़ी टाइम के लिए पढ़ सकूँ. एंड आई एम गोना टेक अ प्रोटीन शेक विद मी, ताकि जब भी भूख लगे मैं प्रोटीन शेक पी लूँगा और आई कैन स्टे देयर फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. सो लेट्स गो. एग्जैक्टली एज वी एंटिसिपेटेड मुझे भूख लग रही है और मैं प्रोटीन शेक पीने वाला हूँ. 9 बज रहे हैं, फटाफट जितना बचा है उतना भी ख़त्म कर लूँगा मैं. लेट्स गो. Okay, so it is 11:30 a.m. and it is the next day. There are 3 things that we need to talk about. Okay, first of all, good morning and happy Sunday. The next thing I want to talk about is my sleep schedule. So 6 से 7 महीने पहले तक I was an early riser. कुछ भी हो जाए, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, 7:30 मैक्स में उठता था. Even if I've slept late, because अगर मैं थोड़ा भी उससे लेट उठता था, I used to feel guilty for sleeping too much or anything. But then I discovered Andrew Huberman and the importance of sleep. And after that, I started prioritizing 8 hours of sleep more than waking up early. And I have been getting 7.5 hours of consistent sleep. Pehle I used to get 6 hours of sleep, and this is way better than, waking up early without getting enough sleep. But still, I took it too far. I have been sleeping late आजकल, and stress के वजह से I've been watching Modern Family a lot. So I really need to get my sleep schedule on track. And the third thing and the most important thing that I want to talk about is the game plan. So the game plan for today is going to be pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Study as much as possible because Sunday हफ्ते में एक ही बार आता है. कॉलेज का कुछ झंझट नहीं, कुछ नहीं, तुम बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम पढ़ पाते हो. एंड अगर तुम संडे एंड मंडे के दिन अच्छा पढ़ते हो तो पूरे वीक के लिए मूड सेट हो जाता है. So my game plan for today is pretty simple. I'm going to study endocrine, nephro, GI, rheumatology, electrolytes and nutrition. So ये चारों chapters medicine से है and last वाला chapter surgery से है. And कल I'm going to do psych, derma and neuro, and I'm going to revise orthopedics tomorrow. Orthopedics has been one of my weakest subjects. And medicine is something that I like and something that I enjoy doing. तो मैं ये काफ़ी टाइम तक पढ़ पाऊंगा और मुझे मज़ा भी आएगा. So far we have done endocrine and we just need to revise it properly. Half of nephro मैंने कल और आज में किया. GI और rheumatology हमको अच्छे से पढ़ना है and electrolytes, nutrition and shock. Fun fact is that सुबह से मैंने कुछ खाना नहीं खाया है, so I'm feeling hungry. But I think आज के लिए मेरी knowledge की भूख मेरे खाने के भूख से मुझे ज़्यादा रखनी पड़ेगी and काफ़ी चीज़ों में sacrifice करना पड़ेगा because of the stupid decisions that I make at night. काफ़ी टाइम पास करता हूँ and I do feel guilty for it. So if I don't want to feel guilty in the future, I need to study. That's it. And as I said, as simple as it gets, I just need to sit down and study. So I'm gonna do just that. So this is how I'm studying for my exams this year. Every year we get a PDF. PDF contains a list of all SAQs and a list of all LAQs, and जो important questions होते हैं उनके ऊपर star marked होता है. And usually we look at those questions, understand what the important topics are, and then we study those topics properly and read those topics properly. But this year somehow some great senior did something really cool. So वो important questions के PDF में question के just side में he added screenshots from the textbooks of what all we are supposed to read. So एक ही PDF में काफ़ी कुछ cover हो रहा था, but still I feel like somewhere sometimes it is not enough. So I'm gonna use that as a reference, as a guidance, and I'm gonna read from my textbooks only. One other thing that I'm doing this time is that I'm writing a lot of things down, because whenever I write I tend to read more cautiously and I tend to read more actively, and whenever I write something and the page gets over, I quickly go through whatever I've written on that page. So एक short time span में एक छोटा revision भी हो जाता है, and it really helps me out. While I was studying, a notification popped on my phone saying that someone from GMC Nagpur, in fact a final year student from GMC Nagpur, has taken his own life. It made me really sad, and may his soul rest in peace. I am going to make a dedicated video on this tomorrow, and I really thought that I should keep negativity away from this channel, but I think this is an issue that I need to address properly. So I'm gonna make a full video on this tomorrow. So yeah, other than that, I'm just gonna continue studying. I think I might take a break and meet a few of my friends, but I think things are going really well for me today. And yeah, sometimes yeah. This is Bobby, if you know him from my OG vlogs. This is Khushi, this is Neil. अभी just Bobby का clavicle fracture हुआ, so I had taken him to Sassoon. And कैसे हुआ fracture वो खुशी story बोलेगी.
मैं और ये एक्टिवा से आ रहे थे और हम आ रहे थे, और रेव का
सेम रोड है जिससे तू आया, वही रोड पे.
तो रेव का एक्टिवा रुक गया और उसका एक पार्ट रोड पे
दोस्त को जो मेटल का रहता है कार्ड वो के रोड पे गिर गया.
फिर हमने उस पे ध्यान
तो
नहीं
रेव को इसलिए बोला कि रुक के उठा ले,
पर रेव ने उठ के नहीं
सुना नहीं, लाइक
बाइक का पार्ट.
तो फिर क्या हुआ, अभी उसका पार्ट गिरा था, वो गया आगे, छोड़ा उसने. वो जो अंकल कोई तो भी आए होंगे रोड पे, वो पार्ट उठाने के लिए वो अंकल को तुरंत नहीं. अंकल वो पार्ट,
वो अंकल को बचाने के चक्कर में बाइक का फ्रैक्चर हो गया.
तो ये सब
अंकल की जान बच गई, पर इसका फ्रैक्चर हो गया. रेव ने बॉबी का फ्रैक्चर किया.
रेव 2 मिनट रुके वो उठा लेता.
Guys, if you want any clinical education from this, मैं बॉबी का एक्सरे भी अटैच कर लूँगा.
डायग्नोज करना है. उसको बुलाते हैं, रेव को बुलाते हैं. कंटिन्यू दिस ब्लॉग. वेट.